show you guys how to make 3 slimes without glue or like borax or detergent or contact solution. So the slimes I'm going to show you how to make, some of them do have glue but don't have borax, and some of them have borax and don't have glue. So there's a bunch of different options. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Alina. And if you like my videos and if you haven't already subscribed, then go ahead and click that red subscribe button. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first slime I'm going to show you how to make, we're going to use some liquid face mask. And you want to make sure it contains polyvinyl alcohol, because if it doesn't, it will not work. I found it at Walmart. And this is a really small amount, so I bought 3 of them. A little while back, I made this slime with this face mask, and I only used 1 packet, and see how small it is? So I recommend using about 3 bags or 2 bags. So now I'm going to take my scissors and then just cut them and pour them into the bowl. And we are going to be making fluffy slime, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some shaving cream. Try not to add more shaving cream than the face mask. Food dye is optional. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our activator. If you want my activator recipe, it'll be in the description box down below. Remember to add this slowly. Now we can go ahead and work it with our hands. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty good. It's still a little bit sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more activator. As you can see, it's kind of hard to do a swirl, but I'm going to try the best I can. I love this no glue slime. It's really nice. It also smells really good. Just so you guys know, this slime cost about $4.50, so it was kind of expensive for a tiny slime. So if you have glue on hand, I recommend just using glue. So for this next slime, we're going to need some Model Magic. So now we're going to go ahead and take some shaving cream and spray it on top of the Model Magic and mix it in. And as you can see, this is really messy, but just keep working with it. So this is all mixed in, and as you can see, it's really softened up, but if it's not stretchy enough, add more shaving cream. So to make it even softer, now I'm just going to mix in some lotion. As soon as it's the consistency you like, then you can add some food dye. I love mixing in food dye. It looks so cool. I love how this slime turned out. It's super soft and creamy. So this next slime does need glue, but it doesn't need any borax or detergent. Now I'm going to add my food dye. So instead of using like borax for the activator, we're going to use Airwick, but you want to make sure it says 4-in-1 or else it won't work. I found it at Dollar Tree. Then just go ahead and spray this in the bowl. And as you can see, it's starting to activate, but just keep in mind that it's going to need a lot. If your slime isn't activating, be sure that you check to make sure that it's the 4-in-1. So after a lot of mixing, I finally have this really nice slime, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out and work it with my hands. As you can see, this slime is really nice, but if you find that it's still sticky, put it back in the bowl and add more airwick. So here is the completed slime. It is really nice and really stretchy. The only downside is that it does smell really strong. It's not really good for swirling because it's a little bit runny. But other than that, it's a really nice slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And for a future video, I am going to be doing a slime Q&A, so if you have any questions slime related, leave it in the comments down below and I will answer it in my slime Q&A video. Just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. Bye! See you guys next week!